Just a quick vid on the Nacon teardown. I'm tearing down the Nacon Revolution Pro 2. Pretty simple. Little caps on the bottom of it, hide screws. They're very visible. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 of them. Pull them out, keep them in order. Which I'm doing alright. Could be doing better. Little buttons got in the way, but pull it apart. Get over here. Screwing up all my stuff. All the screws are the same. Just make sure you get the plugs in the right place. What I'm doing here is just taking and using some contact cleaner. Alright. Or degreaser cleaner, contact cleaner. Going in here. I'm just getting in there. And I'm taking some, I've got a little bit of silicone grease here. I'm putting in, just sliding in. Right in here. Right in here. Right now, spots where it slides. When I opened it up, I could see that in here on this sensor there was a little bit of like rust forming. Slight rust, probably from just condensation, different stuff like that. So, some silicone grease here in all these points. Used some contact cleaner, cleaned them out, wiped everything down. Let it dry out real good, and then lube it up here in these little small points, and then throw it back together, see how it works. So, that's that. It was pretty easy, you know. And to unplug a couple one ribbon cable, and this one's got a plug. Plugs into the board here. There. See it or not? Probably a little blurry. But anyways, that's what I'm doing. Just a quick video. If you're having trouble with your controller, I'm having some controller drift. Let's see if this sorts it out here. So. See if that sorts it out. Alright, and that's all you do. Just pull it apart. There's a bunch of hair stuff in there, dust. Just get in there. One of these. Scrub down. You're going to have to buy a brand new $150, $200 controller. So be careful of these, the motors. I mean, I've been basically just kind of dangling around carelessly. They're pretty strong, this one. The PlayStation ones I know are very brittle, so be careful with those. So that's it. Nacon Revolution Pro 2. Controller, sort of semi-tear down, and, you know, see if we can do a stick drift fix. God. Anyways, there. Focus. Come on, focus. There we go. Try it out. Let's hope we don't blow stuff up. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.